In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file to S3 in AWS. This is a straightforward process that will take about 5 minutes, and by the end of this guide, you'll have your files safely stored in the cloud, ready to be managed and retrieved whenever necessary. To start, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. You might use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you're most comfortable with. Once you've got your browser open, navigate to the search bar and type in AWS. This will take you to the Amazon Web Services homepage. From there, your next step is to log in. You'll need your AWS credentials for this, so make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the AWS Management Console, which is the central hub for all the services AWS provides. Now, focus your attention on locating the S3 service. If you're already familiar with the layout, you might find it immediately in the list of services. However, AWS offers a handy search bar at the top, so feel free to type S3 in there, if that's quicker for you. Selecting S3 will take you to the S3 dashboard, where you can manage all your storage buckets. On the S3 dashboard, look for the bucket where you'd like to upload your file. Buckets in S3 are essentially like folders and act as containers for your files. You might have multiple buckets, so ensure you're choosing the right one that corresponds to where your data needs to be stored. Once you've identified and clicked on the correct bucket, you're now looking at the bucket's contents. At the top of this page, you'll find an Upload button. This is your next stop, so go ahead and click it. After clicking the Upload button, a new page will open, providing you with upload options. On the Upload page, you'll see another upload option. Click on this, and a file browser window will pop up on your screen. Navigate through your folders and select the file you wish to upload to the bucket. Once you've selected your file and confirmed your choice, you'll return to the AWS interface, where you might see a summary of the file about to be uploaded. Now, click Upload one more time to begin the process. AWS will take care of the rest, and depending on the size of your file and your internet connection, the upload might take just a few seconds or a bit longer. Once the upload is complete, you'll receive a confirmation and your file will appear in the bucket contents. That's all it takes. Your file is now successfully uploaded to S3 on AWS, securely stored for your access anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Keep exploring AWS to uncover even more possibilities with cloud storage and beyond. Thanks for watching, and happy uploading.